Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials so fixes actually work. Sign into the same Google account on the Assistant app and device. This syncs settings and routines. Once done, make sure the mic permission is enabled and volume isn't muted because Assistant can't hear you otherwise. Next, confirm a stable network connection, Wi-Fi or mobile data, since voice queries need internet access. If you hit an immediate error, reboot the device now to clear transient issues before moving to deeper troubleshooting. Now you handle app and service conflicts that often break Assistant. Clear the Google app cache or data, or uninstall and reinstall to remove corrupt configs. This resets local settings. Then update Google Play services and any Assistant components so features are compatible. Make sure language and voice match settings align with your speech, and verify the default Assistant app is set to Google Assistant. Once updated, test simple commands. They reveal whether the problem was app level or deeper in your account. Finish by addressing persistent or account level problems. If issues remain, unlink and relink smart home or third-party services to refresh tokens, and check calendar and account permissions. As a last resort, perform a factory reset only after confirming your Google account syncs and backups are current. This clears firmware or deep system faults. If that fails, collect app logs or error messages and contact Google Support or Device Maker for targeted help. One troubleshooting tip: try a different Wi-Fi network to rule out router DNS or firewall blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.